project lead for MEMS Connect.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about that project?
Yeah, so MEMS Connect is something that we've been working on for probably about 10 to 15 years now. 10 years ago, it was a simple platform to monitor our equipment, where it was, if it was running, how it was performing, etc. And now that's grown into a massive, vast data array. We're consuming data, gigabytes and gigabytes per day into our own in-house data center that allows us to use big data analogies now. So we can use AI, machine learning to better serve our customers. We're taking equipment now and looking at the model performance of it, matching it against other models and seeing how it performs. It allows us to go from being a much more reactive business to proactive. So we're ultimately saving on customer breakdowns, customer minutes lost, and we're shortening that process now, and it's fantastic.
Yeah, that's amazing. And just talking about that transition then from, like you said, that more reactive to the more proactive approach,
Yeah.
How does that benefit your customers?
Oh, hugely. So the best examples we've got here is olden day technology would be you had a piece of equipment failed, you might get a phone call from the customer, they'd then expect you to dispatch an engineer. You've got all this time delays. It might take you hours then to get to site. Oh, you haven't got the correct part, you do the repair, etc. So you could have a customer offline for sort of 6-7 hours. Now we get the information directly into our control room. The coordinator can then see that information, dispatch the engineer immediately with the correct part. It's a first time repair, and in some cases there might not even be a breakdown because we're getting pre-alarms that advise us of something that could be coming up to failure, and we'll dispatch an engineer and complete a repair prior to the equipment failing. So that's fantastic. No breakdown.
Yeah, and I mean, what a statement to have, that no breakdown.
Yeah.
That's what we like to hear. Amazing. Ben, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us.